Sunbridge Care, outstanding and lasting contributions. My certificate of completion, becoming restorative CNA training. Encouraging communication workshop. Setting expectations and using visual support workshops. Setting expectations and using visual support workshops. Active listening certificate completion. Peer support training certificate. Alzheimer's disease training. Christiana Care Hospital home health aide. Nursing assistant at Sunbridge. Student at Cecil Community College. Geriatric nursing assistant at Signature Healthcare. Student at Delaware Tech, medical billing. Professional Coders Academy. From the office of the president at Cecil Community College, my letter invited me to serve as a member on the Cecil County College Minority Affairs Advisory Board, where I later became president of the Minority Student Union at Cecil Community College. Thank you letter from the college. They are pleased to have me as a member of the Minority Services Advisory Board at the college. Andrew Waller, Vice President of the Minority Student Union at Cecil Community College. Letter from the President of Cecil Community College inviting me to serve on the Minority Advisors Board, where later I became Vice President of the Black Student Union at Cecil Community College. I trained to use communication device for my autistic students. Took training at A.I. DuPont Hospital for Children for the Delaware Autism Brennan School. This is the device for communication that I used. Employee of the Month at Sunbridge Healthcare. I was caught caring. Medical Coding 1. Medical Billing and Coding Program at Delaware Tech. This is where I learned all about the HIPAA policies, insurance reimbursements, and medical office practices. My badge from the Psych Center. the Extra Mile Award, an effort to improve service to employee or customer, which in turn increased and improved Visiting Nurses Association business, assisted in getting important tasks done, an effort which required significant sacrifice of personal time or resources in order to make a difference in the lives of others, an effort which fostered superior teamwork and cooperation between employees and departments. Andrew was very helpful in getting additional patients seen as well as seeing his own scheduled patients. My picture was used again in another magazine for Cecil Community College when I was in the nursing program. At Bayada Nursing, caregiver of the quarter. Delaware Direct Support for Professionals. Critical thinking and decision making. Some of my other classes at Cecil Community College, which includes Geriatric Nursing 1 and 2, Adult Basic Education, Life Skills, Medical Terminology, EKG Technician, Computer Concepts 1, 2, 3, 4, CPR, Understanding Anatomy, Medical Office Practices, Coding 1, 2, and 3, Introduction to Medical Billing, Anatomy for Allied Health, Employment Strategies, Medical Terminology, Computer Skills for Allied Health, Anatomy Lab for Allied Health, Medical Office Procedures, Insurance Managed Care, Computer Medical Office Management, Medical Law and Ethics, Coding 1, 2, and 3, and Beginning Sewing. Extra Mile Awards from Christiana Care Hospital, Visiting Nurses Association. My medical coding and billing certification. Also at the college, General Biology Lab, Basic Algebra, Anatomy, Human Anatomy and Physiology, and the lab, Freshman English Composition, Basic Algebra, Physical Condition, Study Skills, Basic Algebra, Figure Drawing, Composition and Literary Forms, and Introduction to Psychology. Introduction to Sociology, Introduction to Computer Concepts. Proof of essential workers to be able to travel the highways during the COVID outbreak. Working in the psychology department at the Delaware State Hospital in the psychiatric center. My scuba diving certification card. Been diving since 1991. In full gear, going out into the field, working for Bayada when COVID first hit. More work at the Mental Health Association of Delaware. Caregiver of the quarter at Maxim Healthcare. Me speaking at the House of Representatives in the state capitol in Dover, Delaware. At the state capitol in Dover, Delaware. With some of my constituents inside the state capitol building in Delaware. Advanced ethics training from the state of Delaware. Peer support training certificate. dedicated service, and my critical thinking and decision making certificate. This is my certification certificate for restorative CNA training. Congratulations letter from Cecil Community College for being accepted into the nursing program and getting ready for my first pharmacology class as a nursing student at Cecil Community College. Related coursework: nursing program, administrative medical assistant, healthcare provider, online Alzheimer's courses, restorative program, life skills program, conflict resolution, medical legal guidelines, computerized patient billing, medical terminology, computer concepts 1, 2, 3, and 4, medical coding and billing, geriatric nursing assistant. At the Institute for the Development of Human Resources, I became a certified clerical office worker, home health aide, restorative aide, certified nursing assistant, geriatric nurse assistant, and certified scuba diver. My certificate from the Institute for the Development of Human Resources in Newark as a general clerical worker and data entry certificate. The input and my skills that I learned while training afforded my patient a favorable recommendation because he needed to have this device to be able to communicate. As you can see, the device is pretty expensive. $7,295. At Cecil Community College, medical office practice. Cecil Community College, EKG training. Medical terminology. Medical legal guidelines. Medical insurance billing. Medical coding 2. Medical coding 3. The HIPAA laws and practices and medical insurance billing privacy rules. My certificate of completion of the Peer Support 101 by the Delaware State Association of Mental Health. My badge from the Psych Center. This is a better picture of me that they used on the brochure at the Institute, at the computer. My picture was used again in another magazine for Cecil Community College when I was in the nursing program. From Sunbridge Healthcare, restorative aid. Congratulations. To join the facilities restorative team. From Cecil Community College, Life Skills and Conflict Resolution Certificate. Who We Are and Parent to Parent workshops. Understanding and using reinforcement workshops. Dedicated service and my critical thinking and decision making certificate. my picture on the brochure for the Institute for the Development of Human Resources brochure. They use my picture at the computer. The HIPAA laws and practices and medical insurance billing privacy rules. Christiana Care, Visiting Nurses Association, my Extra Mile Award. From Cecil Community College, successful completion of geriatric nursing 1. From Cecil Community College, successfully completing requirements as a geriatric nursing assistant 2. Merit Graham for doing an outstanding job on Unit 3.